Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Lunar Client not logging in. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So majority of the reasons why you can't log in is because your credentials are wrong when you try to log in with Microsoft account. To fix that, make sure first of all that your VPN, if any, are turned off, because having a VPN on might block you from entering the website. Then from here, you're going to go to any browser and you're going to search for Microsoft account. And then from this website, you're going to click on sign in. Then you're going to use your email that you already use. Then click on next. Once you click on next, then you have multiple options to use. So you're going to use your normal password, but then you're going to just either say forgotten password or you're going to have show more options and you're going to update your password instead. Then from here, going to verify your identity. So if it's connected with an authenticator app or if it's connected to your email, then you're going to just check that and you're going to put the code here so that you can change your password. And once you change your password and email, then you can probably sign in and you should be all good to go. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.